Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the Grace Life. So in today's video, I was going through my stash and I found Dollar Tree used to carry these marble boxes. So I found one of these in my stash and I thought we would make a nice flower box. So guys, let's jump into the video. I'm very excited about it. Again, this was from the Dollar Tree. These purple flowers is from the Dollar Tree. I'm recycling these buds. Okay, these are already in foam, so we're going to pull those off. So we will be making a rose box, and I thought we might make that Chanel. So let me show you those stickers we'll be using. I got this in the crafters section. I also got this in the crafters section where they have the bling wrap, and this is actually the gold pearl wrap. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So we'll move the box over here. What I'd like to do though is I just want to put a dot of hot glue right in the middle there, just so that this doesn't move. We'll place the box right in there. So that's what that looks like. Okay. Then we're going to come over here and we are going to cut that foam to fit this box. Okay, so what I'm doing basically is just going through a lot of my inventory in the house, trying to use up what I have. And I said we can make a rose box, but we could also do that and make that Chanel. So that's where the idea came from. So what we're going to do here, okay, I'm also going to be using the Mod Podge, guys. Everything I'm using to create this craft is listed in the description box below. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so we glued the bottom to the box, and it's also marble. Isn't that gorgeous? Now we're going to glue the foam. We're going to glue the foam to the box. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece of foam out, and then we are going to glue this piece of foam right to the top of that one. Okay. Then we're going to glue the bottom of that foam. To the bottom of that box. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this pearl wrap in the gold, like I said, and I'm just going to put a little border along the top of this marble box. Okay. Not going to be a big border, just a little bit. Cut 4 strips of 4 rows, and that should be more than enough. So if I need some more, we'll just go back and cut some more. Okay, these are adhesive, so I'm just going to peel this part back. Okay. So, isn't that pretty, guys? I think that came out absolutely beautiful. The gold strip here. I don't mind mixing metals, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous with the marble. So now that we got that on there, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to find the side that I like the most, and that's the side. We're going to glue the Chanel. We're going to spell out Chanel. So I think it's this right here. Let me place this here, and then we're going to grab our stickers. I don't know if you've seen these stickers at the Dollar Tree up close. Isn't that gorgeous? So we're going to try to use the black so it could stand out more, and we're going to spell Chanel. I'm going to try to center this as best as possible. Okay, so now what we're going to do to seal these letters in, we're going to use some Mod Podge, just a little bit. I'm not going to use much. I'm actually using the last of this, and that's so the letters don't come up. And that's all we're going to do there. So what I think I'm going to do with the remainder of this strip of wrap that I didn't use, I'd like to place maybe 2 rows, since we have this extra, underneath that Chanel. Okay, I think that'll look nice. That is. I think that is so pretty. Okay, and so nothing went to waste. So this is what we have. This is what that's looking like so far. Isn't that pretty? Now the only letter that's the lightest there is the N, but once that gloss is dry, you should be able to see that with no problem at all. I think I might put a little diamond. So these are the loose gems. I placed them in here. I got this either Walmart or Michael's, one of the two. I've had it for a while. This lasts me a long time, but I think we're going to put one of these diamonds right above that Chanel, just to take that up. Just take that up a little notch. Oh, that looks so nice. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love the way that looks. Okay, so now we're ready to start placing the flowers in. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pull these off. Okay, because we're making a flower box. And we are doing it in the purple. You can do in any color. I usually do them in the white, but we're going to recycle these flowers here. And I think I have enough from the recycle the recyclable bunch. If not, I have some extra florals right here. Okay, so now we bring the box, but I think we have more than enough flowers. Okay, so now so we place them in one by one. And these are not closed roses, these are the open ones. You can also do them with the closed ones. This actually fills in a lot more. So we are going to do a row of 4. Okay, I think that looks nice. So that's the first row. I think we can get 2 more rows. So I have more than enough florals. Isn't that pretty, guys? I love these floral boxes, the Chanel boxes. Look at that. I think that came out absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. That is absolutely beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? I think that's absolutely gorgeous. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, click like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I think this came out absolutely gorgeous, makes an awesome gift. I hope you guys have a nice evening. Thank you.